Okay, it's May 13th, 2020 at about 7:20 something a.m. and look where it's positioned today. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of activity of directed energy at the two houses that I say are unoccupied realty properties that Phil Howard, Krista Howard, the Johnsons, Morris Johnson, Linda Johnson, and Tanya and her daughter Talia go to shoot crap in the back of these windows of my house. These two houses, the yellow top one and the white and green awning one, they're attached and they're empty real estate properties. Now, as you can see, the tree there is completely bald. That's from the damage you see everywhere else in the backyard. All the trees are all green and leafy. This tree over here, but in the middle by that oversized power line, and that house where that green awning is completely bald up top. You can see at the bottom, you see some of the green leaves, but it's completely bald at the top because this is where they're shooting that crap and it damages the trees as well. Now, getting back to where this I don't know what it is, a particle beam, satellite beam that's has something to do with this satellite on the houses that I always talk about, the unoccupied house right there. There's a satellite dish right at the very tip end of that roof, and I believe some kind of way it produces this thing with whatever else they do. All I know is I'll hear them. I can always tell close to me when they're getting ready to do one of these things and having it set up, because you could hear a lot of banging and you see the wood they take into the house. And then the next thing you see is this thing being applied every single morning. And this directs directly onto my house. They usually have it over here. Sometimes this is the Johnsons, Morris Johnson's house, or on coming from between these houses. Now it's, I believe it's coming right over the house of the bus driver, which is another attached house. And on the other side is the Czayowskys' house. And let me get the right time. Hold on. It's 6:48 a.m. It's 6:48 a.m. May 13th, 2020. Until the next video.